Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. Do you want to earn hundreds of dollars a day? Do you want to do it by reading emails? Going through all your emails every day can be a bit of a headache, especially when you have to spend an hour sifting through the important ones and the spammy ones. If only there were some way you could make money out of it. With this method, you can earn around $25 per hour of reading emails. Stick around to find out exactly how it's done. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make $500 in 24 hours reading emails. Make sure you stay, as you don't want to miss this crucial step in order to really start earning big. Number 1. Make a PayPal account. PayPal Holdings, Inc. is an American company operating a worldwide online payment system that supports online money transfers and serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods like checks and money orders. For the technique we're looking at today, you can either have your funds sent directly to your bank or through PayPal. It's recommended to go through the PayPal route. PayPal is secure and used by a countless number of people. It's a system that allows you to earn money digitally as well as spend it digitally. You can easily send funds from one PayPal account to another PayPal account, and the transfer happens right away. You can also withdraw your funds to a bank account. Additionally, you can add bank cards to your account. And they have a mobile app for easy payments on the go. This all happens in a very user-friendly manner. Here's how you can start your own account. First of all, you need to go to the PayPal website. Look at the top of the page where it says Sign Up and click on that. Once you click on it, it'll ask whether you want to create a personal account or a business account. Select Personal Account. Now you will need to enter a valid email address and select a password. Make sure this password is secure. That's it. Now download the PayPal app and sign in on your mobile device. Now you can start earning and holding your funds in a digital wallet. Number 2. Go to Vindale. Ever thought of being paid to take on short tasks? Let us show you how. Vindale is a website that will pay you to do short tasks. These types of websites are great because you don't have to put too much thought into earning. These websites are used by companies to help them complete tasks either because they don't have the time to complete them or they need help auditing their products and services. This site offers payment in exchange for surveys, for example, and companies use the data from the surveys you complete to help better their websites, products, and other things. When you first visit the Vindale website, you will see they offer payment for surveys. This is one way to earn, but it isn't the way we will learn to earn in this video. We will choose the option for reading emails because that has a better payout. Surveys are easy to fill out and they're a popular option for people, so that's why they have a smaller payout. If you look on Vindale's website and find Ways to Earn tab, you will see that they have an option for reward mail. That means you will get paid just for opening up your email. You can earn up to $25 an hour with this method, and the cash goes directly into either your bank account or PayPal account. On the front of the page on Vindale, you can see that Vindale members have earned millions of dollars. It isn't a point system or credit system or even a gift card system like so many of these sites are. This website pays you real cash in order to complete these tasks. Number 3. Sign up to Vindale. So here is how to start earning money on Vindale just by reading emails. First of all, you'll want to sign up. How do you do that? First, scroll to the top of the page and find the green button that says Sign Up. Now you'll be led to a page to sign up. The sign-up process is very simple and completely free. Plus, when you sign up, you already earn $1. To sign up, enter a valid email address. You will then be led to a page where you have to create a new member profile. When you sign up, you'll see some offers you may qualify for. Like, for example, a 55-minute healthcare pharmaceutical survey that will pay you $25. These offers look tempting, but in order to do anything else, you need to complete your profile. For this member profile, you will need to enter a valid email address, your name, address, date of birth, gender, ethnicity, and create a password. It really isn't that hard at all. To the right of the page, you will see your progress before you start earning. So what are the steps to take before earning? Step 1 is to complete your member profile. This is so Vindale can collect your information they need to contact you regarding payment and tasks. Next step, you'll need to take a new member questionnaire. In this questionnaire, you will tell Vindale about yourself so they can get a better idea of what tasks you can do. Next, you'll need to confirm your email address. This is why it's important to enter a valid email address. Once you receive the email and confirm, you'll be ready to start earning. Those are the 3 steps to signing up and earning through Vindale. Number 4. Select a category. At number 4, you will need to select a category. This is important because it will help you complete tasks related to your own interests. After signing up, you will be presented with a set of categories. Take a look at some of these. There's cars and trucks, sports, home improvement, politics, current events, and many more. This is an important step. You'll want to select the shopping and fashion category because this will help you earn significantly more money than other options. Shopping and fashion trends tend to be the option you will make the most bang for your buck. Once you select the category, you'll see listings. These listings will tell you 3 things. Those 3 things are how long it takes to complete, the popularity, determined by a 5-star rating system, and how many members have tried it. You will also see the name of the survey and the amount of money you can earn. There are also short reviews written about the survey you can read before you decide to take it. Aside from surveys, there are also job posts for reading emails. These are the listings you will want to sign up for because not only are they easy, but they pay a lot better than the survey completion tasks do in dollars per minute. The shopping and fashion category is the fastest way to earn these rewards. If you would like to maximize your profits, try out a job posting from each one of their categories. Then, you can find out which is best suited to your liking and which one you find earns you more for your time. Sometimes, if you enjoy a category more than another, you will take less time to complete it since you aren't really working. This will help you complete these tasks faster and earn more in a day. Number 5. Set up a VPN. Next step. This can be done by anyone around the world, but it's important to note that this site and similar sites only work in certain countries. So how can you be part of these earnings? You will need a VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. There are many different options for reliable VPNs out there. Just find one and download it. Then you can set your location to anywhere in the world. Sites like Vindale only work for certain countries such as the US and Canada. To work around this and earn from anywhere in the world, a VPN is the way to go. Just figure out if your country is eligible, and if it isn't, set up a VPN. The reason this site doesn't allow all countries is because they've received users for countries that do not give quality output. But don't worry, if you're willing to put in the work, you can still be a part of this. You may notice that you will also need an address from one of these qualifying countries in order to sign up. To work around that, you'll need to find a random address generator. Another option is to go to Google Maps and find a random address in one of the countries. For example, go to the US, zoom into a place. That will be the address you use. Don't worry, it won't need to be an actual address. They just need this information to help you choose surveys that are right for you. Number 6. Refer a friend. So this site has proven to be great. You can earn money in multiple ways, from completing surveys to reading emails, although the latter is the best option. There is also a $1 sign-on bonus that you get just for signing up. They pay you to sign up. Did you know there's an additional way to earn? Yep, a 4th way to earn. All you have to do is refer a friend to Vindale website. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the tab that says Ways to Earn. There you will see the option we have already talked about, Reward Mail. Well, click on Referrals and you will find another option to earn. This website referral program will give you $5 for every friend you refer. This is a great way to earn. To earn from this, first you'll need to sign up and have a member profile set up. Then, tell your friends and family about the website. Get them to sign up for it, and when they do, you get $5. So signing up earns you $1, and referring someone earns you $5. That's already $6 you earn for basically doing the bare minimum. Go ahead and get as many people as you can to sign up for this, because like the website states, the more the merrier. This will help Vindale to have more users and will help you to have more money. It doesn't cost you or your friends anything, so try it out. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you there, and thank you for watching.